When you begin pre-creating your ecosystem and you get to the point where you're adding all of your assets to Passport, there are several pieces of information that can be populated either individually or all at once while you're adding your assets. In this video, we'll briefly review what these different elements are. To begin adding assets, you can start either by clicking on the Add ribbon at the top, coming down to Asset, or by clicking the Files folder in the folder tree, choosing Asset from there. And finally, by clicking on the life cycles in the beginning and choosing Asset from here. Next, you'll notice all of the individual elements that go into populating the information for an asset. So you can begin by either clicking on Model, and this way you can populate all of the information about the specific model number and the type of model it is. You can also begin by populating the different file formats that you may need to use. Below is a list of file formats and the associated application, but if you need to add additional ones, you can type them in here and click Save. You could also begin by populating all of the documentation that you may have for all your assets. Just click the Select button, you'll browse your computer and select the individual documentation and click Save. You can also begin by populating any condition codes that you might have for these assets. You'll see below a list of conditions, however you may have additional ones. To add those, you just type them in here and click Save. You can also begin by populating the model categories that you have. Below are a few categories that I've created, however if you have additional ones, you can add those in here and click Save. Next, you can come over to model type, populate the different types of models you have. You'll see here below I have several different types listed, and there are some that are given by default when you purchase the application, and we'll get into more detail about that in the model type video. Next, you'll be able to populate any additional departments you may have. This may have been set up initially when you purchased the application or by your system administrator. However, if new departments needed to be added, you could just type them in here, click Save, and it'll add it to the list below. Next, you can begin by adding all of the people or all the persons that you may have, whether they're employees or people that are going to be using this application. You'll want to add them in here so that anytime something is checked out to them or assigned to them, that there's accountability for that particular asset. And finally, you can come and click on the Asset option, and at this point you can populate all of the information for the asset, including the model and model type, as well as all the other additional information that we had discussed. Once you have all that information in there, just click Save, and the new asset will be added to the database as well as the grid below.